I thought you were just building a little road over there. Because you don't have to do one over the top.
the ramp.
This is going to be the second path. What he's doing now is he's getting dirt for the bucket and he's going to fill in that path that's underneath it because it's just nothing but mud underneath that tractor. So you'll see once he moves the tractor back some.
It's nasty.
It is really nasty.
What's the only farmer that usually makes it through it?
The big one. Yep. He's basically filling it in, and then what it allows us to do is to ride up that and go down.
How exactly do you go up this ramp right here, though?
This one, you can just cruise right up this one and go straight down into there.
But what about those sticks right there? Won't those just get right in your face? That's gonna suck, isn't it? Those sticks.
Well, it looks like somebody here got hit with those sticks before. Was that you?
No. Mosquitoes. Is old Molly having a hard time? I think that's actually enough.
Yeah, I think this last bucket, Dave. This will be the last bucket. It'll be good.
Come on, old Molly! You can do it! Molly! Come on, Molly! Yeah, Molly!
You can do it, Molly. We believe in you.
Molly! There's a huge rock right there now.
I know. All right. Proud of you, Molly. Just flattening her out one more time.
Well, it's starting to rain, Justin.
Yeah, I know. That's fine. It's fine. Okay, this is a new ramp that we made. Here we go. See if it works. And she works, doesn't she?
Yep! Those are the new trails.
Hope you enjoyed